Hi, this is Lakshmi. Welcome to Body Grind Fitness Show. Today's workout is only for yoga with cardio mixing workout. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Please do this exercise. Ready to start the workout. First, ready. Take the full breath in this call. Full breath in this. Slow breathe out. Just bite warm to extend this call. Okay, now slowly warm up. Slowly open your eyes. Okay, sir, just slowly open your eyes. Yes. This call. Yes. Clockwise round. Clockwise. Just clockwise. Just go for warm up. Yes. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and again anti-clockwise. Go for anti-clockwise. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, only one more. Keep your hands up and stretch like this. Stretch. Left to right, right to left. Down. Yes. Left to right, right to left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Open your hands. 3. Just for 3. Yes, it's 2. Sisters, open your hands. 2. Only one more. And just keep your hands twisting. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just left, right, twist, and again twist another side. 2. Twist another side. Yes. And again left side. One more twist. And again another side twist. Yes. Okay. Ready, sir? Take the just for dog style sitting, sir. Dog style sitting. Just for dog style. Take the long breath in. Slowly down, sir. Slowly down, sir. Yes. Well, again, long breath in, sir. Slowly down, sir. Yes, sir. Well, again, full breath in, sir. Breathe చేసేటప్పుడు ఈ హెడ్ అనేది కంప్లీట్ డౌన్లో ఉండాలి. దెన్ స్లోలీ బ్రీత్ అవుట్. ఎక్స్టర్నల్. ఓకే సార్. జస్ట్ ఫర్ అదే పొజిషన్ సార్. సేమ్ పొజిషన్ సార్. ఓకే. జస్ట్ క్లాక్ వైజ్. జస్ట్ అప్పర్ బాడీని క్లాక్ వైజ్ రౌండ్ తిరగాలి. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And anti-clockwise. Go for anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And stretch your leg. Stretch your hip, sir. Stretch your hip. Complete stretch your hip. Left to right, sir. Twist your left to right. Twist. Hip twist. Left to right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Only one more, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ready, sir? Now is the keep your right leg is stretch, sir. Right leg is stretch. Keep your right leg is stretch, sir. Just for right leg is stretch. Yes, sir. Right side only. Come on, ready, sir. Up and down. Now is up and down. 2, 3. Very good, sir. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, sir. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Only one more, sir. Okay, sir. Same, keep your right leg is inside, sir. Inside round. Right leg always inside round. Yes. Inside round. 10 seconds. Okay, sir. Complete touch the ground, sir. Complete touch the ground. Touch the ground. Complete L shape, sir. L shape. Okay. Complete. Keep your hands up like this. Yes, sir. Complete, sir. Don't forward the front knee. Front knee అనేది forward అవ్వకూడదు. Okay, Hanumanasana. Yes, 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, sir. Yes, sir. Same leg, sir. Same leg. Same position. Same position. Keep your leg is. Yes. Stretch your foot. Stretch your foot. Yes. Stretch. Forward stretch is called. Complete. Toes is up. Toes is up. And legs is always stretch like this. Stretch. Like this. Yes. Yes. Stretch your like this. Sit down. Stretch it. Kuchol. Just for sit down. Yes. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Only one more. And turn. Okay, sir. Ready, sir? And again mountain, sir. Keep your mountain inside, sir. Mountain. Mountain. Yes. Always keep your head is inside of the hand. Inside of the hand. Yes, sir. Move, sir. Left to right. Left to right. 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, sir. Keep your right leg is up. Up. Keep your right leg is slightly up. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, sir. Right leg is forward, sir. Yes. Up. Hands up. Yes. Virabhadrasana. 10 seconds, sir. 9. Stretch your body, upper body. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, only one more, sir. Relax. Yes, sir. Relax. Okay, sir. Keep your same side, sir. Okay. Up the body. Keep your hand, sir. Keep your hand is right hand is inside of the hand. Right hand is inside. Left hand is stretched like this. 10 seconds. 9, 8. Turn over foot also. Turn over foot. Backside turn just called foot. Yes. Front leg is always pencil. And second leg is turn over foot. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And keep your hand is down. And stretch your only for hand. Change your hand. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Only one more, sir. Yes, relax. Yes, sir. Relax. Now is only for left leg, sir. Now is left leg ground. Left leg ground. Left leg, stretch your left leg up. Yes, hold it few seconds, sir. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Only one more. Up and down. Now is up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Only one more, sir. Leg should be forward a bit. Yes, sir. Leg drop. Middle of the hand. Middle of the hand slow down. Leg, sir. Okay, ready, sir? And then you stretch your body up, backside Hanumanasana. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And don't forward the front knee, sir. Don't forward the mundiki elakodu free knee. Okay? Adi same legs is stretch. 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 Like this stretch. Heel touch your ground and toes is up. Heel touch your ground and toes is up. Like this. Toes is up. Yes, maximum stretch. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back and do the mountain. 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 Yes, touch the mountain. Inside. Just first toes. Inside of the head. Very good. Left, right, 3. Slowly. 4. Movement. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, keep your left leg is forward the hand. Bend on this. Touch it up. Slightly up. Virabhadrasana. Just keep your hands. Upper body is up. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Cover very good. 4, 3, 2. Only one more. And slowly down. Yes. Slowly down. Yes. Keep your left hand is inside of the leg. Inside of the leg. Left hand inside of the leg. Take support. And up. Turn our leg backside leg. And hand is up. Head is up. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Only one more. And touch. Release another hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come back. Okay, sir. Ready, sir? Ready? Okay, sir. Keep your hands, sir, like this. Okay. Right. Keep your right hand, sir. Right hand is stretch back side. Touch the right leg. And left leg is open like this and stretch. Left hand is complete bend and stretch. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Only one more. Yes. Only one more. Only one more. And again. Left leg. Take the support. And fully stretch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Only one more. రాజేష్ క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను, మళ్ళీ కాల్ చేస్తా. Yes. Okay, sir. Now both our legs, both our hands at a time. Okay, sir. Touch చేసుకో, sir. If you not touch, take the support like this. Here. Lebutila. Yes. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Ready, sir. Now is only for Indian dips with Bhujangasana, sir. Come on, ready, sir. Hey, sir. Keep your hands like inside, sir. Yes. Yes, up, sir. Yes, 10 seconds. And slowly down, sir. And slowly down. Again up. Mountain. Again mountain. Yes, sir. And slowly down, sir. Bhujangasana and like 5 times, sir. 5 times. And slowly down, sir. Again up. And slowly down, sir. Like this 5 times, sir. 5 times. Just Bhujangasana and slowly down and up mountain. Okay, sir. Again, fully down. Yes. Slowly down, sir. Again, mountain. Yes, sir. Slowly bend, sir. After that, get up, sir. Pike legal. Pike legal. Yes, pike legal. Pike leg, sir. Get up, sir.